As you can see, folks, hope you are doing good today, folks. I am also doing good today. I hope you are doing good today, folks. I am also doing good today. I've bought you this Royal Enfield Classical 360 bike. I've got you this Royal Enfield Classical 360 bike, newly launched 2024. I'm telling you the features of the Classical 360 bike. Features are LED lights, LED lights, dippers, front-end rear disc brake, shock absorbers, high-resolution top-notch TFT cluster with a windshield in the bike. It has a windshield, two metal mirrors with the windshield. Well, the buying this bike a lot, Royal Enfield Classical 360 bike, with two metal bull bars for the protection of the safety of your own. Comes in lots of variants, lots of colors. Royal Enfield Classical 360 bike. Blue color is more appealing. It has colors more, it has variants more. Blue color is more appealing in this bike. It gives you the cruiser feeling in the Royal Enfield Classical 360 bike a lot. It gives you the full cruiser feeling in the Royal Enfield Classical 360 bike a lot. And look is very good. Cruiser bike, this is, as you can see, it gives you the full shape of the cruiser. Cruiser bike this is. Two LED lights as usual, a split LED light, R badging, split LED light with R badging. Let me show you like this, two dippers you are getting, LED light, let me show you. Yeah, like this, two dippers, LED lights, two dippers, LED lights, classical 360 badging. Yeah, this is there, reflectors are there, this is there, good sturdy tires with this metal front and rear disc brake. Good bike this is, and digital cluster is good digital cluster, Royal Enfield badging, N badging, temperature warning, ABS warning, fuel option, trip option, eco gear option, 0-3 kilometers option, highest resolution top notch TFT cluster I've ever seen in this classical 360 bike. Features are trip F, eco gear, kilometers, trip F, eco gear, kilometers, trip F, eco gear, fuel option, 0.3 kilometers option, battery voltage option, ABS means anti-locking braking system, a fuel option, a neutral option, a dial is also there, a Royal Enfield dial is there, classical 350 written over there, Royal Enfield classical 350 badging. Good bike this is, sturdy bike, Royal Enfield badging, good, a small curated Royal Enfield badging for you guys only, small badging, two dippers, one light, two dippers, one light, two dippers, one halogen light. Yeah, good bike, some bike this is, Royal Enfield badging, field badging. Side look is awesome, front look is also awesome, windshield is there for the protection of yourselves. Good sturdy bike this is, ground clearance is good of the bike, sturdy tires, good bike this is, field bike this is, two seats, one seat here, one seat here, metal bar for protection. This is the bullet bike, This looks like a full cruiser bike. This is cruiser bike. This is full feel you get of the cruiser bike. Cruiser bike. This is because we're getting reflectors also over here. Comes in lots of variants. Comes in lots of colors with one reflector, two reflectors. Look is good. Good bike. Some bike. Enfield bike this is. Enfield badging is there. Good Royal Enfield badging is there in golden chrome. This is also there. Classical 350 badging. Classical 350 badging is there. Bike this is. खुला है हाँ थोड़ी देर Good bike this is. Bike this is. Awesome bike. Some bike this is. Some bike this is. Back look is good. Look is also good. Look is also good. Look is also good. Also good. Front look is also good. Also good. Side look is also good.